So what's the effect on the market as a whole if, cryptocurrency crashes? And what should my worry be as an investor that doesn't hold any crypto?
Ah, yeah. So here's my outlook on crypto. I think that it's a little early to tell exactly what might happen, but it is a competitive asset class to stocks. So if money is being taken away from the stock market and even people selling stocks, that was one of my things I talked about last week was that people seem to be selling off, the ARC funds and the clean energy and those types of things that did so well last year. And all of a sudden we're seeing, Robinhood crash trying to do all the cryptocurrency, trades. To me, that means that there's money going from one place to another. And so it is a competitive asset class. So as anything, whether it's real estate or bonds or CDs at the bank or cryptocurrencies, all of those can draw money away from the stock market. I mean, if you can get 10% CD, a lot of people are going to do that instead of buying stock. So if you think you can get rich buying crypto, people are doing that right now. So they're, at least in the short term, we're seeing, I think, kind of an inverse relationship. As cryptocurrencies go up, the stock market could kind of, just not do as well as it could. That's for sure. And like yesterday, which was a great day for the stock market, cryptocurrencies in general came down. So I don't know. I think we will see an inverse correlation. When you see cryptocurrencies going up, you might see the market kind of slowing down, and when you see cryptocurrencies going down, so we'll see. That's something I'm looking for. I think the biggest concern I have is it's an unregulated industry. Now they're working on that, but right now it's completely unregulated. And you can do leverage, so you can borrow on margin and buy cryptocurrency at very, very high rates of margin, like 100 to 1. And if that happens, that's where you kind of can see some problems. Where if cryptocurrency crashed and there was a lot of it on margin, and a bunch of people had to sell other things that you and I own in order to pay off those margin debts, that could be a pretty big impact to the market. But again, it's a fairly private, unregulated industry. It's hard to tell how much margin is being used. Um, Generally speaking, in my experience, people get a little carried away, right? I mean, tulip mania is a human condition. And so that does mean that once people make a little bit of money, they think, oh, if I borrow money, I can make even more, until they get sucked into this hole where they end up losing their fortune. But so that's what I see with cryptocurrency. I think it is something to watch. Definitely, it is something we're watching as far as that goes. At the moment, I think it's probably okay, and maybe just making things a little softer, but otherwise, I think it's fine.